Hi, this is Ibagué, the capital musical of Colombia. Let's start my history. This is my photography in the Bolivar place of the Ibagué city. A very nice place. There are many monuments and trees. My recommendations, in especially the use solar protector. It's pretty hot in the afternoons. What you should do? You should do to go at the conveyment. It's it has majestic landscape. What you should do? I should go get out alone in the Ibagué city in the hours of the night especially. It's a good to be accompanied by a good guide. Ibagué, your most busy. Thanks. Bye bye.